Can you put money into a Monzo? It's a question that might seem obvious to some, but for others, it's a genuine curiosity. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Monzo and explore the various ways you can add funds to your account. So, whether you're a new Monzo user or simply curious about its features, stick around. Understanding Monzo. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of funding your Monzo account, let's take a quick look at what Monzo actually is. It's a digital bank that offers a range of financial services, including a debit card, current account, and savings features. One of the key benefits of using Monzo is its user-friendly interface and mobile app, which makes managing your finances a breeze. Traditional methods of funding. Bank transfer. One of the most common ways to fund your Monzo account is through a bank transfer. This involves transferring money from your existing bank account to your Monzo account. Simply log into your online banking or mobile app, select the transfer option, and enter your Monzo account details. The transfer usually takes a few minutes to complete. Cash deposits. If you prefer to deposit cash, Monzo offers a partnership with PayPoint. You can find PayPoint locations in various stores and shops across the UK. Simply visit a PayPoint outlet, provide your Monzo account details, and hand over the cash. The funds will be added to your account almost instantly. Monzo-specific methods. Monzo prepaid card. For those who don't have a traditional bank account, Monzo offers a prepaid card. You can load funds onto this card using cash at PayPoint locations or by transferring money online. Once the card is loaded, you can use it like any other debit card. Monzo business account. If you're a business owner, Monzo also offers a business account. You can fund your business account through bank transfers, cash deposits, or by accepting payments from customers directly into your account. Additional tips. Speed of transfers. The speed of a transfer can vary depending on the method you use and the banks involved. Typically, bank transfers and cash deposits are processed relatively quickly, while international transfers may take longer. Transfer limits. Monzo may have limits on how much money you can transfer to or from your account in a given period. These limits are in place to prevent fraud and ensure the security of your funds. Fees. While Monzo offers many of its services for free, there may be fees associated with certain transactions, such as international transfers or ATM withdrawals outside the UK. It's important to familiarize yourself with any applicable fees before using your Monzo account. Conclusion. As you can see, there are several ways to put money into a Monzo account. Whether you prefer traditional methods like bank transfers or Monzo-specific options like cash deposits at PayPoint, there's a funding method to suit your needs. So, if you're considering opening a Monzo account, don't hesitate to explore the different ways to add funds and start enjoying the benefits of this digital bank. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.